In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how you build enterprise value with AI. Everything is about to change. Not in 5 years, definitely not in 10, but right now. And if you're still selling services, if you're still billing hourly, if your business stops the moment you stop, well, you're already behind. If your business is not generating revenue when you're on a 3-week vacation, you don't really have a business. You're self-employed. Let me show you what we've rolled out. We've launched a fully white-labeled AI platform that puts you in the AI founder seat, not as a user, but as an owner. We're introducing our AI agency partners to a whole new model we call AI agents as a service. We call it AI HaaS. This is where agencies stop selling automation and start deploying AI agents. Now, let me be very clear about something. This isn't workflows, this is not prompts, this is not duct-taped automations. It's an enterprise-grade AI infrastructure, the kind businesses rely on when hiring SDRs and BDRs, customer support reps, receptionists, and a dozen more roles. The same level of tech corporations spend 6 and 7 figures to deploy, now accessible, now white-labeled, and now sold by you. You're building enterprise value inside of your agency. How, you might be asking? Well, you're no longer selling these one-off projects or campaigns or doing manual services. You are building a book of business with a SaaS model layered into your agency. And what does that actually mean? You're building predictable subscription-based revenue instead of inconsistent retainers. Monthly recurring income driven by AI usage, not your time. Compounding asset where every new client increases your valuation. Higher margins because AI agents do the labor, not a human staff. More importantly, you're building a business that is sellable with real ARR, not a hustle that depends on you. This is how you go from freelance level to enterprise level. You're not grinding harder, you're building a scalable automated engine that grows in value every single month. You're building an asset, one that compounds, one that scales, and one that doesn't break when you step away. You're no longer a service provider. You are the layer between businesses and the future of work. Now, while others are selling deliverables, you're replacing payroll. And here's the part that matters the most. We don't just give you software, we give you a business in a box. This includes the platform, the model, the pricing, the delivery, the roadmap, so you don't have to waste time figuring it out. All you do is simply execute. And this isn't for everyone, but if you're built to own, if you're built to lead, and if you're built to move when the window opens, then welcome to the founder seat. Welcome to AI HaaS.